Good morning. Good morning. This is the first full week after my walk into my next chapter. If you have not seen my previous video, then you may not have known that I retired from my teaching job. But I will put a link to that video right up here somewhere in the cards. But I want to tell you this morning that I am feeling marvelous. And I also want to thank you. Thank you to my stick to it, hang in there, loyal subscribers, as well as my new subscribers that will also fit into that category. Thank you for your support. It has been quite a journey, and we have more to cover. We have places to go, people to see, things to discuss, and oh well, we'll see it as we go along. But thank you. I am anticipating my retightening on Wednesday. This is Monday morning. My retightening will be on Wednesday afternoon. I went to bed last night with 4 of these plaits in my hair. I had this 1, 2, 3, and 4. And as I was taking them down, I said to myself, why not record a video? And I'm going to show you my hair, show you my grid or my scalp, so you will see what it looks like pre-retightening. So this is what I have. I do have quite a bit of new growth. Anything underneath my finger right now is new growth, and it needs to be retightened. This is the front. Although it needs to be retightened, my grid still shines through because I separate my roots pretty good. I'm going to go on around so you can see what it looks like. I hope I've shown you enough and that you were able to see everything that I was showing you. I'm going to take this plait out now. I will be shampooing my hair tomorrow, so I will braid and band as usual. Shampoo my hair, and I will probably do it tomorrow night. But I have a lot of new growth, and I'm certainly ready for my retightening. I'm always excited about getting my hair retightened. I have questions about my hair that I'm going to ask my consultant. I'm going to ask her about my locking of my hair. I want to know where she thinks my hair is actually locking the most, and which part of my hair is behind the progress of the others, if you know what I mean. I know they don't lock at the same rate, and I want to find out which parts of my hair are locking faster. I also want to know about the term drop. Is it dropping? Can my hair drop before it is fully locked? Those are some questions I'm going to ask Kim on Wednesday about my hair. I just want to discuss these things and find out more about what's happening with my hair so that I can give you a better update on what's going on. In addition to that, before I get my hair retightened, I am going to try to get my husband to do a length check on my hair. I want to see the difference in the length of my hair before retightening and after. Because it seems to me that if my hair is, let's just say, 13 inches long before retightening, to me it should be less after retightening because of the interlocking process. That's my thought on it. If you think something different, please let me know. I am going to not let my hair stay down today because I want to do some work in the house, organize some things. So what I am going to do is try to put my hair up, and I'm going to show you how. Just keep watching, please. I'm hoping that it'll fit in this scrunchie. Okay, now you see that in the back, and I can't, but this is what I'm going to do. I'm just going to tuck and roll, or roll and tuck, whichever way I'm supposed to say it. And I'm trying to tuck it underneath the scrunchie. Hey guys, I've got a bun and my hair is out. I'm going to turn around and let you see this. Just tell me what you think, but that's not the end of it. I have a scarf here. I think I'm going to start it in the back instead of the front. I'm going to take a look at it in my mirror. And that is how I am going to wear my hair today, up in this scarf while I work in the house. And if I have to go out, I still think I'm presentable. I'm going to put on some jewelry. Since I have brown in the scarf, I am going to go ahead and put on these rose gold earrings. And nothing really fancy on my neck, just these plain old brown and gold. This plain old brown and gold. This plain old brown and gold necklace. Yeah. And I am ready for a day of work in my house, trying to get organized. You have a wonderful day. This is a sister who loves her locks. I love my friends. I love my family. I love my followers and my subscribers. I especially love God because He is such an awesome God. He's been more to me than I could be to myself. I could not make it without Him. Have a wonderful day.